Hi guys, so look what came in the mail today. This one is from Lensball. Okay, so this is the unboxing of a Lensball. Let's go ahead and check what's inside. Okay, wow. It's actually bigger than I thought, or than what I expected. I thought this is just small. I don't think if I can bring this in my travels. Okay. Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. It's actually the styrofoam that's big. And this one is actually heavier. Okay, there. Their logo is similar to Instagram, which is actually nice. So let's try to check what's inside. Okay. Oh. They have a pretty cool packaging. So what's this? Okay. So this is what a lens ball looks like when you do some photography with it. It gives you different perspectives. It's actually a cool photography props. Some call it crystal ball, sphere ball. Okay. And there's a sticker. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, this one. Oh, it's really heavy. So what Lensball gave me is it is an 80mm lens ball. So if you want a smaller one, there is available as well. I just forgot the size. So it's really cool. I know that this is scratch free, right? So look at that. Okay, let's try this one. So usually the images are upside down and it's like morphed. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. This is actually heavy. Okay, and I think they used a canine crystal for this. And this one is actually a microfiber cloth that can protect your lens ball during your travels. So this is actually cool. Right? Can you see that? Okay, I can't wait to try this out. Okay, so that's it. This is the unboxing of a Lensball 80mm. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.